Hello and welcome to another little bit of Satoshi's news. Today's date is Wednesday the 15th of April 2026, the year of Green Wix and BSV Terranode in the mix. Branch your threads, expand your mind with treechat.ai or your post spot and chain. Right, just going to go through some more pages that have been uploaded onto Payit. Loving that. Right, let's get into it.
Craig says he's Satoshi, like a cowboy in the West, riding on the blockchain that they call the very best. 1 million strong, them transactions flying free. He's acclaiming his legacy, you'll surely see.
Alright, here we go. So we're just going to read the first paragraphs from page 3, 4 and 5. Here we go. Check it out. I'm absolutely loving this. I have some fantastic responses to this as well. Here we go. So chapter 1, page 3. Friends will give you 3 chances. For the first time in 2 years, I feel like I've actually made a bit of progress. Got my foot on the first rung of the ladder out of this deep, deep hole. I've no idea how long it's going to take to get out of it, but moving in the right direction up is a start, and I'm flat out of all other options, so let's crack on. There we go. And I think it's just $1 a page. $1 a page, remember. It's a fundraiser here. Loving this. So yeah, please read and enjoy it and learn it. Here we go. So this is the first paragraph of page 4. Chapter 1, page 4. An epidemic of hidden suicides. Although most people have struggled with mental health, anxiety and depression at some point in their lives, I had no idea about the real numbers that have attempted suicide. Once you start digging, the figures are through the roof. There appears to be an epidemic of trauma and hidden suicides in society that no one is addressing or maybe hiding. I thought Gemma was a unique case, but finding so many others among my inner circle of friends was truly shocking. I've had permission to publish these following 2 horrendous cases. There we go, you have to read that to find out the rest, find out what happens. And chapter 1, page 5, discovering the hippocampus. With the stories of Martin and my sister-in-law firmly etched into my mind, I continue with my research, endlessly watching YouTube videos on mental health. I'm lying on the sofa trying to cope when a research scientist mentions that the hippocampus is the only part of the brain that has been shown to grow in size when used for memory. He also says that the hippocampus, when stimulated, pushes cortisol out of the brain to calm the amygdala. This is the first time I've ever heard anyone describing how one part of the brain can affect another. I spring from the sofa like Count Dracula rising out of his coffin and focus on what's being said. Laser focus like a deer caught in the headlights in pure wonder. Could this be what I've been searching for? Oh, you'll have to read on to find out. And they have all been posted onto TreeChat. As you'll see in my profile here. There we go. Chapter 1, page 1. Oh, that was a mistake there. Page 1, chapter 3. Page 1, chapter 4. Page 1, chapter 1, page 5. Loving that. Loving that. I think that's going to look really good. Really good. There we go. Right. Brilliant. That's all I wanted to do. So please remember. Oh, actually, while we're here, we can look at that. Payit, the profile. Just show you my profile. And you can see the wallet. Look, this actually works. This actually works. So we've got 11 million sats in there. Make yourself a Payit profile, fund your own wallet, and then you can use that wallet to read my articles. And look, Payit's pretty good because it shows you how much you've made from each of your text articles. There we are. I made 6 million on that bit. 6.2 million. This is great. This is great. Pay as you read and get paid as you create for your content. Loving that. This is great. Right, there we go. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.
I understand.
Do you?
Do you? This is it. I'm telling you, this is it.
The king still has one more move.